Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I'm able to achieve this beautiful looking jumbo goddess braid, and this is the down part of it. It's looking so beautiful, that's the word. So to find out how I got this beautiful looking jumbo braid done, please stay tuned to my channel. Don't skip, keep watching, and don't forget to click the subscribe button. Let's start the video. For this hairstyle, I'm going to go in with my coconut oil. I made this coconut oil and I have a video on how to make it, so check the description box below. And next I'm going to go in with my Anjaki intensive moisture sealant. I'll need all the moisture I can get. Next I'm going in with my water. That water is mixed with leave-in conditioner. That's to enable me comb my hair easily, because my hair is not an easy knot to crack. Next I'm going to go in with my easier hair wax and mold. This is the only thing that can lay my edges, so it's almost good. I'm even looking for how to buy another one right now. I pray I find it. I'm going to rub this all over my hair, the edges, the perimeter of my hair, to enable me brush my hair properly. Then I'm going to go in with my denim brush. Before I use my denim brush, I spray water on it because of the easier hair more than wax to enable me get the shine I'm looking for. So next up, I'm going in with my extreme wet line gel. This gel is just the best. Since I found this gel, I have discarded Eco Styling gel. This does the job for me, and I'm going to continue using it until I find something better than it. But for now, it's just the best for me. I'm going to brush off all the sides of my hair. Now to secure the middle part, the bun, easily without having a puff under it, I would just get the middle, secure it, then take the sides and join it with it, which is what I did in this video. Then secure the hair in a bun and tuck it behind. Now you can see the edges and the sides of my hair are properly secured. Now I'm going to also go in with my easier hair wax and mold to secure the baby hair by the side. As you can see, my forehead is sweating. It's not actually sweat, it's product build-up kinda with a little bit of sweat, so just pardon me. Now I'm going to brush like I told you I always do. I always just spray water on my brush because this wax and mold is very thick, very hard, so I don't have white residue on my hair. Don't know what I was thinking, but I just decided to put a twist to the edges and do something different, more different than the day-to-day ordinary edge style, baby hairstyle. So I had to use a broken tail, rat tail comb, the head part, to actually try to do a new style at the front. I don't know what you think about it. It's me just being me, trying something new, so pardon me. This style actually looks fine from afar, but when it's close, I don't know what you think about it, but from afar, when you look at it, like the real life after effect of it was very beautiful. Now I'm going to secure those baby hairs, because if I leave it this way, it's just going to stand up back and start looking at me like, what did you think you were trying to do? So I'm going to tie down and let it rest for a while. Now I'm going to get into the hair extension process. I'm going to in this video I'm going to be using my expression. It's not pre-plucked. I had to pluck it myself. I had to draw the ends to achieve that end you can see here. Now I'm going to just plait it. Like while doing this, I am going to just bring out little strands from the side. The strands I'm bringing out is the one I'm going to use to coil it actually. Then I'm going to coil the ends of the hair extension, the attachment, like we call it over here in Nigeria. Please don't forget to subscribe, please. Now I'm going to secure the ends of the hair so that it doesn't loosen. Next up, I'm going to go in with my perm rod set to curl the little ones that I set aside while plaiting it. This style is really easy to make if you have patience. The hardest part of making this hair is actually drawing the ends of the attachment to have a realistic and unequal look. That's actually the hardest part. After rolling everything with the palm rod set, I'm just going to dip it into hot water and let it coil, as in coil. You need the coils you can get. I'm also going to dip the ends of the jumbo braid. Yeah, that's the name, jumbo braid. I'm going to loosen them up so you can have the final look. After loosening it, I'm going to remove the band at the top part and just fix the braid on my hair. These are the kind of pins I'll be using to pin it up to secure it properly so it doesn't fall off in public. Just picture that in your head, you working with this hand, maybe one keke marwa just drag this thing, hey, and the thing just fall. Hey, news headline, Linda Ikeji, you'll be very popular, man. So now I don't want that kind of popularity, so I'm going to just secure this properly. And this is almost the final look, not yet the final look. It's looking pretty already. Next up, I'm just going to fluff the braid a little. Just fluff it, widen it, make it have. I'm going to try to make it have that goddess look, that beautiful goddess look. People around me really loved this hairstyle. Like, everybody wanted to know how I made it. This is how beautiful and gorgeous this hair's looking like. I was feeling myself. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of hair accessory to give it that extra look, extra sassy, sweet look. What's your hair without accessories, man? Okay, now this is the final look. I don't know what you think about this hair, but I think it's beautiful. It's gorgeous, easy to make. You can just detach it, sleep like a baby at night, and just wear the thing on top and put all the pin in the morning, and voila, you're good to go. So it's something you can just hang in your house. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. All this effort will not be wasted. Subscribe, like, put a comment, and share this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.